Video. There we go. Ah, man, I didn't have anything on. All right, this is from Gold Plating Services. You guys are gonna be surprised when you see what I got in here. This is pretty cool. Safety data sheet or technical products. On behalf of Gold Plating Services, we'd like to thank you. Is this like a double? It's a two-sided. Our mission, our passion, our commitment, our dedication. Cool. I'm gonna put this right here. For now, what do we got in here? We got a book. Standard kit checklist. All right. What's this? Like the product. Share your experience on Amazon by leaving a product review. Connect with us. Problem with your order? Contact us and we'll help you resolve the issue. Cool. I'm gonna put that right there. This is gonna be cool because it's a full chicken list. Ooh, what are these? All right. So, oh, wasn't checked by anybody.